My name is Martin and I'm a volunteer here at Tate Exchange. One of my favorite artworks here is The Passing Winter by Yayoi Kusama. The title, The Passing Winter, is kind of reflected in the artwork itself, because if you look inside, it is like you're looking into a snow globe which is suspended in time. Since I was a kid, I was very fascinated by mirrors. So my mother had this big three-way mirror, and I used to use it to create different angles, to see different things, to see myself infinitely, and that led to further fascination with different mirrors. For example, spy mirrors, like the two-way ones they use in James Bond films. So of course, when I walked into this gallery and I saw this cube in front of me, nearly like floating in air, I was really drawn to it, and it has helped me enthrall ever since. She studied in the Kyoto School of Fine Arts and Crafts in the traditional Japanese drawing style, but she became very interested into the American abstract. In 1958, she moved over to America, to New York, and became part of the avant-garde of the pop art movement. As you approach it, what you see is a mirror cube with holes on either side. So far, so boring, but when you get closer to it and you look into the holes, you see yourself reflected a million times because it's parallel mirrors. It's like big white dots in there, dotted around everywhere. Also like a kaleidoscope, because if you look through, the middle part is clear, you see yourself in there, but all the rest is fractured. I would love to explore it more, stick my fingers into the little kid in me and putting objects inside and moving them around, see how they are reflected in the mirror, putting lights inside. But because of the fragile nature of it, you can't do that.